So right now we're going to pack this electric compressor, and we've got a sequence already built into the system that's actually barcoded in the system. So we're going to shoot our barcode that we've got. It's going to populate the Maxwell screen with the actual bag sizes and sequence that we need to have to properly and adequately protect this motor or compressor through the transit environment. When we're ready to dispense our bags, we're going to press play. And in this particular instance, we're going to use our Smart Tracks as a bottom layer or a bottom pad. The reason we would do this is because if you're able to use your Smart Tracks for a bottom pad, you're able to make a foam base or pre-make a foam base for heavier items. So when you're thinking heavier pumps, heavier valves, in this case a heavier compressor, you want to have those Smart Tracks so that you can take them, lay them into the box, form a solid foundation before you would take your heavier item and set it directly on top of that foam base. Once the bags, or once the product is set into the box, we've got our sequence built around how we want to pack the remainder of the box. And in this case, each time we need the next bag, we're either pressing the star button or we're stepping on a foot pedal if we've got a foot pedal hooked up. Typically, when you're packing and wanting to center your particular item, the technique would be to pack opposite corners so that the foam grabs the particular item and naturally wants to center it into the middle of the box. So for our compressor, we've got all 4 sides and 4 corners protected. And our last bag is going to be top fill across the top of the box. So our last bag is going to be a top fill across the top of the box, and you're going to use your top flaps to help guide the foam into the center. You do still want the crown, and you'll feel the foam rise up to the top of the box, to the crown, which is a good thing. That means you've got your box packed properly and adequately protected for your shipping environment.